Ajini, a very rare but very sweet Oriki. Jí here means to do something very early. Tí mo bá jí jáde, it means I went out very early in the morning. So when you do something quickly and early, the word jí can be used to describe the doing of that thing. And as for the word ní, very simple. It means to have, to own, to possess. Therefore, what is the meaning of the Oriki? Ajini. It is the name given to a child whom was had very early in life. If I give birth to a child early in life, I can call that child Ajini. You are the child that I had early in my life. The child of my youth, the one I had when I was still very vibrant and energetic and young. You did not delay for my bones to become weak before you came to me. You came to me and blessed me early in life. Ajini, Wàá Ṣere.